Liangjiang Chemical focuses on product applications, and for chemical fibers, the titanium dioxide selected must be the Anatase type. It should provide excellent whiteness, strong water-based dispersibility, good matting properties, minimal coarse particles, moderate particle size, and a narrow particle size distribution. At the same time, it must show no or very little secondary agglomeration during polyester production, especially in the polycondensation stage, SAPOID, while offering reliable hiding power, near-neutral pH, and minimal harmful impurities. We recommend this grade of Anatase titanium dioxide for use in polyester fibers, viscose fibers, acrylic fibers, spandex, and related applications.